Lasagna. Hi guys. So today I'm going to make a dish called lasagna. It's an Italian loved recipe. So guys, come with me. Before we start, I have to make the ragu, which is the sauce that is used for the lasagna sheet. It's called ragu. So here is my minced meat. I'm going to season it very well. Here I have onions and some spices. I'm going to be adding some spices. I have salt, seasoning cube, chili powder, and some dry spices, dry mixed spices. I'm going to place it on the fire to cook for some time. Then I'll bring it down. Then we'll start our lasagna. So here is the ragu getting ready. Now I'm going to add some tomato on it, some tomato sauce on it. And I'm going to give it some quick stir, and I don't want it to be so liquid. I'm going to use just this tomato. I think it's enough for me. I don't want it soggy. So guys, the sauce is boiling. This is how I want it to be. This consistency, exactly this consistency. So I will soon put it down to start with the next step. Yeah, I've turned off the heat. I'm going to the next step. Here is my Parmigiano cheese. This is cheese, we call it formaggio. And here are the mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese is also another type of cheese, and this is bechamel is used, and this one is panna da cucina. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I've grated my parmigiana, and this is the lasagna sheets that I will use. I'm using 2 packets of lasagna sheets. So this is what it looks like, the sheets of lasagna. So let's go ahead. I have my baking pan. I've already lined it up with some baking sheet, with a baking sheet. I'll add some ragu inside the pan. Make sure you spread it very well. Add some bechamel. I'll use my little spoon to spread it very well around the sheet. I put this first because I don't want the lasagna getting burned under. So after spreading it well, then I continue with lining the sheets. Here is the lasagna sheet. I will line it perfectly to cover the base of the pan. Then step by step, I will continue with the same process. While doing this, make sure you cover the base very well with the sheets. I want to use this opportunity to welcome all my viewers, all my subscribers, all my followers. I want to thank you all. I really appreciate your support, your love, and I really thank you. Thank you for always watching and sharing my videos. I really appreciate that. Please guys, don't forget to like and share my videos. Don't forget to like. And now I'm going to fill the first layer. I'm adding some ragu, and after adding the ragu, I'll spread it very well to make it even. Then I'll add some bechamel. If you don't have bechamel, you can also make this dish with panna da cucina. It's still very good. So here is the bechamel, and I will still add some panna on it. Panna da cucina, added little. Then I'll use the spoon to spread it, make it even. Then add some parmigiana, some cheese on it. I'm using two types of cheese in this recipe. I'm using parmigiana and mozzarella. So here is the parmigiana cheese. I will also put the mozzarella cheese. And here is the mozzarella cheese. Then after adding this cheese, I will cover it again with another sheet and continue with the same process, the same layering. So guys, this is the last layer that I'm doing. I'll do the toppings, then I will put it in the oven. I'll place it in the oven to cook at least for 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes before I bring it out. I'm putting the bechamel, then the panna, the formaggio, the cheese. I'll place it in the oven. So guys, our lasagna is ready. Look at it, so beautiful. Wow, so yummy, so beautiful, so yum yum yum. Look at it, so delicious. The kid loves this so much. So delicious, so yummy, so looking sweet, sweet, sweet. Was. Right now, I'm going to cut it, ready to be served.